technically marketed or showcased, but Kiran was insisting that we have really young minds, vibrant kids over here, so she wanted to introduce us to you, and we are happy that she decided so. And I think why not in this space and time, right? Ganapati, who's known for being the best problem solver, Vigna Vinayaka, right? Who clears all the obstacles, solves the problem for us and takes us forward. So I don't think it's a better time to introduce Soil, which is learning by problem solving community. So I thought this was the best time to be here. And the young minds, why young minds? We are the youngest nation in the entire world, and we are the most populous also, almost. And we should take this opportunity to be there, right? We have to be the world leaders next. Why not be there? We have the capacity, we have the talent, we have been the topmost people in the education, whatnot. Every dimension or vertical of industry that we look into, we have been there at the roost. So why not bring it back to our country, right? So young minds, they have the opportunity to stand there and give us all that future that we are all deserving. So this is our approach to create the young minds that can start thinking much better, become the holistic human beings they are, have the energy or have the mindset and talent to navigate through the VUCA world that is going to be vulnerably changing every minute now and then. So COVID, you've all seen, I think we have coped up so much better than the rest of the world. So that shows that we have the caliber, we have the talent. Then why not move from a service industry to a product-based industry? With manufacturing and vaccines, we've shown that we've been the world leaders there. So why not in other verticals as well, right? So I think we take this opportunity to start young, to start grooming the young minds holistically, not just learning how to use the tools, but actually building products and the next future. So I take this opportunity to thank everybody who's stopped by our stall and paid attention to what we are doing. And we encourage you to come by and ask us as many questions as you want to, and we are happy to answer. Thank you.